Well, this is Cole family from Delhi. We had the opportunity to come to Apple Orchard Dhanaulti. It's an excellent place for visiting, away from the heat of Delhi, which was hovering around about 47 degrees, whereas it was chill cool here around about 15 in the night. In the daytime, it was just 25. Just an ideal place for a wonderful week out and all. We stayed here for almost a couple of days, and this property is being managed by Amit and his team. Wonderful guys, wonderful hospitality, and beautiful ambience. You can see the mesmerizing view, which will just show you now. How beautiful this property is and how this is.
The
You want to add?
team has been excellent. They have really served us very well, helped us whenever we wanted, and hence it has been a home away from home.
The staff members were very good and it was a pleasure coming over here.
You want to add something here, Karthik? You more than satisfied, huh? Okay, okay.